Hey guys, welcome back. Got a cool kit that I've had for some time. Got it back in February, and I got it at JABzCon. I believe it was JABzCon where I got this at. Tamiya kit with some age on it. As a matter of fact, it's a 1989 edition of this Tamiya kit. It's the Nahunta Toyota 88CV. Nahunta. Do they even still make anything? There were cameras, weren't they? I believe that's what Nahunta was. But I got this kit and was really happy to get it up. I don't know, probably paid 25 bucks for it. It was still in its wrapper when I got it, and I ended up being pretty disappointed. So I want to go through here and I want to show you why. And I think you'll be happy at the end, though. I think this is really cool. What transpired through it all. But anyway, let's dig into this 1989 time capsule. Where were you in 1989? How old were you? I was 13 years old in 1989. 13 years old. I got some people out there saying, you're such a youngster. So, right up front, got some, this is talking about paints, Tamiya Paints. And it's got a nice Indy car there, Honda motorcycle, and all the Tamiya. These are acrylics. The lacquers hadn't been out, I don't think, all that long. As far as I know, Tamiya was mainly acrylic paints back then. Yeah, just goes through, shows all the colors, different things from 1989. Then this cool pamphlet that's in here, and now this one brings back memories to me, because during this time, 12, 13 years old, we were into RC cars. And Tamiya was the, we didn't call it Tamiya though, we didn't know how to pronounce it. I forget what we actually called the name Tamiya. It was, I don't remember what we said, how we pronounced it, but looking at this picture here reminds me so much of the things we had. You see this, before electronic speed controls, there's the speed controller here. It was controlled by a servo. It was basically a wiper arm style speed control, and it would just, the servo would move and it would just move your it was an analog style, move this arm across more power pins, and it would tell how much power to go to the motor. And those things would get dirty, and it reminds me of a Nintendo game. You have to take it out, blow it, put it back in. With these, you'd have to get in there, clean it off the contacts, because they would begin to fail. But yeah, just shows some pretty cool cars, kits. I've got that motorcycle right there, right above me here, built 1/6 scale, Honda CX 500 Turbo. Inside here's got some RC cars, got some aircraft and different things, tanks. My brother had a Monster Beetle when we were kids. Very cool. I had a Hornet, I had a Grass, I had all kind of little Tamiya. We had a Clodbuster. Man, so much fun. Alright, let's get with this kit. So here's your, okay, oh, there's a template. I didn't realize that. Here's a masking template for the paint scheme that it's got. Cool, I didn't realize that. So that's what that is. Here's your instructions. And we'll come back to these. Let's take a look at the kit. So you know it's got some age on it when it looks like this. Those bag tires, Nahunta Toyota 88 CV, made in Japan. Bag of tires for 1/24 scale. Very cool. They're very nice rubber tires. They do have a seam that would sand out easily. Those are super nice. I don't think I've really even checked this kit out, to be honest with you. I think I've opened it and that's it. Just looked in the box and had a great disappointment. And you'll see that here in a minute. There's the body. Very nice. Oh, there's the glass on the bottom side here. Wow. They actually put it in, they actually have it in a bag where it can stay nice and pristine. That windshield is completely, well, you can hardly see it, but that windshield looks pretty much scratch free. Door windows, little these little, oh, those are headlight covers. Taillight lenses, looks like. Yeah, very nice. Opening doors. Okay. Didn't realize that. Let's get some of these open. I can't see what's in the bag. Shake them out. Don't throw the bag away until you know for sure it's empty. Alright, so we got brake rotors, steering wheel, oh, let's turn it over. Steering wheels, dashboard, suspension pieces with a cooler. Here's your interior tub with your race seat with the seat belts made together. One large windshield wiper here. Some very nice springs, suspension parts. And the nose section here looks like it goes under the body. Several more coolers. There's your turbocharger right there. Turbo. Got two of those bad boys. Twin turbo V8. I don't even know what kind of engine it is, but anyway. There's half the engine. Transaxle. Looks like air intakes or something like that, ducts, but other suspension parts. Very nice. Here's the lower portion of the chassis. There's your, I think that might be a cylinder head right there. Toyota. Cool looking wheels. Rear spoiler right there. Are these the doors? No, I think that's part of the door though. I think the doors are somewhat two-piece. Here's your, is that the nose cone? Yeah, that is. Isn't it? It looks like it's the nose portion of the car, I believe. Yeah, it is. Well, maybe not. No, it's got a different shape. Maybe that goes on the rear. Oh no, what am I talking about? The nose is still on it. This must be the rear. Yeah, okay, that is the rear. That would be like that. So, I'm going to open the body up real quick. Then I got something to say. That's really nice. I've got the Protar 956 Porsche. I actually kind of took it out and started on it, and it was ill-fitting doors for sure. But I would almost guarantee that this kit here has some really nice fitting parts. The Protars that I had bought, I was assuming because they were really expensive that they must have been really good. And I don't think that's the case, but Tamiya for sure. This has a nice hinged rear section. Here's the hinge that fits up in here. So you could pick it up and see the engine detail and all that. But that's really nice. Very cool. And then the glass, which looks like it was manufactured yesterday. Very nice. This looks like it would be a really fun build. Alright, so here are the unfortunate remains of the tire decals. I guess they were decals, but you know what, they may be, I think these were those like stick-on things, maybe, because it has a piece of wax paper over it. I don't know. Maybe they're still good. Who knows? But I'll tell you this. So here we go. This is what the meat and potatoes of the video. So I opened up this kit when I got it, and you know, first thing you go to, right, you run to the decals. Oh man, I was so disappointed because, you know, the main character of this car would be the decals. These are no good. This video is not doing justice, by the way, to the way they look. You see the white portion, you know, it's nothing but cracks. It's just, the decals are absolutely shot. Nahunta there is just absolutely full of cracks. So they were no good. And I was like, oh, that's a bummer. Because it wouldn't really look good to just put that car together and just paint it and it not have its decal set on it. So it went on the shelf, and actually I haven't thought anything of it until I went to the post office and this was in there. And I was like, what? It must be a shop card, you know. And you guys probably already know where I'm going with this. I was like, oh, it feels like a shop card. Until I opened it, and I got this really nice letter. And my friend Jeff Bailey sent me this letter here and said he'd been watching the channel. He started his own channel, and his own channel is JABzHobbies, and he just started. So you go over there. He started on 4th of April. So you guys go over. I will try to find and link the channel in the description. You go do that. But what Jeff sent was this. Check it out. A brand new decal sheet. He said he saw it on eBay and thought of me, and he purchased it for me. And man, Jeff, you don't know how much I appreciate it, because I was super disappointed with this kit. And look at that. Yep, so it's a decal sheet. How do you like that? This community is chock full of people that want to help, that contribute so much, even sometimes behind the scenes. They're not even noticed. And this showed up. I was totally unaware of this, and for it to show up, and for Jeff to be thinking of my kit that more than me, you know, I was really blown away. So yeah, thank you so much, Jeff. I appreciate it. I appreciate all the people that support me on this channel, in my hobby venture that I've began some 3 years ago. And it's been a great time, and I've met so many great people and gained so many great friends, the most that I've never met and probably never will, but can still consider them very, very good friends. And so I am very happy to be where I'm at, and so it's all thanks to you, all of you guys that watch these videos, that pay attention like Jeff did to my unfortunate decal catastrophe, and sent me these great decals. Thanks, man. Do appreciate you guys. Don't forget, as always, go over, check out hobbynutmodels.com. Grab yourself a kit, a good Tamiya kit, or an AMT, or maybe a Revell kit. Grab yourself a kit and some paint to go with it, glue and sanding paper, and all the things that go along with it. Go check out hobbynutmodels.com, linked in the description of the video. And thank you to all the members of the Facebook group, Model Car Videos Facebook group. If you hadn't joined, go on over and check it out. Model Car Videos Facebook group. The Spring Store, where you can grab yourself a great t-shirt or a coffee mug. And to my Patreon members, I want to say thank you very, very much. And especially to all you guys that watch these videos, I am especially grateful to you, because you're what made this channel what it is. So thank you so much for that. And thanks to Jeff Bailey for sending me these decals. And hey, until the next video, yeah, thanks guys, take care, and you'll see me on the next one, or you'll see a model kit or something, I don't know, but we'll be back, and we'll be back very soon. So take care, and see you later. Bye.